Today, the world knows him as a legend, a run machine, a champion. But this success was not handed to him on a silver platter. This isn't just a cricket story. This is a story about discipline, about pain, sacrifice, and unbreakable belief. This is the story of Virat Kohli. Please, listen till the very end. Virat Kohli was born into a middle-class family in Delhi. He wasn't born rich. He wasn't born famous. As a child, he was a bundle of energy, and he loved cricket more than anything else. When other kids were just playing for fun, Virat played with a serious focus that was rare for his age. His father saw this spark, this passion, and enrolled him in a cricket academy. Every single day, Virat travelled long distances just to practice. There was no comfort. There were no excuses. There was only one dream burning inside him: to play for India. Then, at the young age of 18, tragedy struck. Virat Kohli's father passed away. Suddenly, it was a devastating blow. The very next day, Virat had an important match. He was faced with a choice that would define him: go home, grieve and quit, or play for the dream his father had supported so passionately. Virat chose the second path, with unimaginable pain in his heart and tears in his eyes. He walked onto that field and played. That day, a boy became a man. That day, discipline triumphed over emotion. When Virat first stepped onto the international cricket stage, everyone could see he was talented. But he was inconsistent. The critics were loud. They said, "He's too aggressive. He won't last long. He's not fit enough to compete at this level." Instead of wasting his energy fighting people's opinions, Virat fought himself. He waged a war against his own weaknesses. He completely changed his diet. He transformed his lifestyle. He trained harder than anyone else on the team, while others slept. Virat was in the gym, pushing his limits. While others enjoyed comfort, Virat chose the pain of discipline. Slowly but surely, the results started to show. The runs started flowing. He delivered one match-winning performance after another. He developed an unbreakable consistency that was just mind-boggling. Virat Kohli didn't just become a great cricketer. He became a leader. He showed the entire world a new way. He proved that fitness is power. That discipline is the true secret to success. That hard work will always beat raw talent when talent doesn't work hard. He demonstrated that confidence without work is just empty noise. But confidence fueled by hard work is absolutely unstoppable. But even legends fall. Virat went through a prolonged period of bad form. The runs dried up. The same people who once praised him now trolled him relentlessly. They wrote him off saying, "He's finished." But champions don't quit. They don't give up. He stayed silent. He shut out the noise and trusted the process that had brought him so much success. He simply worked harder. And then he came back, stronger, wiser, and more determined than ever. Because real success isn't about never failing, it's about never, ever giving up. Virat Kohli's life teaches us a powerful lesson. Talent might give you the opportunity, but it's discipline that brings you success, and it's consistency that makes you great. So if you're struggling today, if you're facing doubts and obstacles, remember this story. You don't need perfect conditions to start. You just need an unwavering commitment to your goal. Because one day, the same people who doubt you now will be the ones standing up to applaud you.